What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do a little POV video. We're gonna do a little first-person shooter stuff with the Jagerworks Glock 34 here that I haven't shot in quite a while. So I want to have a little bit of a refresher course today. Shoot a little bit and see how we do. I'm gonna start out by shooting some paper, and then we'll shoot some steel. I wanted to mention that it's gonna be sort of a little mini review of this new Timney Trigger here everybody's been raving about. Drops the poundage on a Glock from like 5 pounds down to like, 3 pounds, 2 pounds, which is pretty nice. So I will be checking that out today as well. Alright, so this is part of the reason why I recommend getting a direct milled optic there. It's been a little bit since I've shot this gun, and I have to check zero all the time with this thing. I need to get one of those new agency arms plates or whatever, because you can see there, I'm aiming here and I'm hitting right here. Those two were good. That one's kind of iffy, but you see where I'm going. I mean, you're 3 inches off your point of aim just by having your gun get beat around in the safe. Huh, how about that? Well, I wish I shot better there, but I didn't. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Those are getting there. Surrounding it on all sides. Well, that's a better group right there, though. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not so bad. One, 2, 3. Still a little right. Pretty good. I'll take that. About an inch groups. Those last 3 run in inch groups. 12 yards. That's pretty good for a Glock. All A's. Alright, so far so good. Now we're out here at about 100 yards. We'll shoot like 5 or 10 shots here. I got 2 mags left, so just play around a little bit with the new Timney Trigger on the Glock 34. This is my John Wick build, for those who have watched the channel for a long time. I absolutely love this gun. So far, good at 100. Try a little 80-yard cover stuff. All right, some 50-yard pepper poppers. Am I hitting that goddamn thing? It's just not falling. Yes. There we go. I always forget which ones fall and which ones don't. It's a real pain in the ass. One of them sticks in the ground, but the other one is calibrated for a higher caliber. I just shoot it with the rifle, so you just twist them and make them less or more. But yeah, the Glock 34. People say Glocks are not accurate. Maybe out of the box they're not as accurate as something like a CZ maybe, or a Walter or a VP9, but they're still pretty accurate. Like the barrel, everything mechanically accurate. You just sometimes need to swap out some parts to really get what you want out of the whole thing. So what do I think of the Glock 34 still? I still think it's an amazing gun. I mean, mine is anyway. Out of the box, there are probably better options. However, if you want those Glock magazine compatibility, or if you're used to the ergos like me, or if you like the reliability and track record and all that fun stuff, or you just saw John Wick 2 and you want to use his gun, all those are good reasons to buy one of these. As you can see, the myths about Glock accuracy is kind of ridiculous. A lot of times it's just the trigger, ergonomics, all that stuff that don't allow people to really get the accuracy they want out of it. Doesn't mean it's not mechanically accurate, it just means you can't do it. The Timney Trigger makes the job of getting the accuracy out of the gun a little bit easier. Is it the best Glock trigger? I don't know, but I can tell you it's the lightest, that's for sure. I've never felt anything even close to it, and I've got like custom Johnny Glock triggers. I've got some from DC Precision. I've got a whole bunch of triggers that just are not out of the box. They've actually been done by gunsmiths, and they're not as good as this. So, is it worth it? Yeah, I think it is. I mean, this done up right, it would be a masterpiece. I love the pull, don't necessarily love the reset. It doesn't have a hella strong reset, and I like that. It's one of the things you're gonna get from a 1911, is that you're gonna get a short trigger, light trigger, and then you're gonna get a pretty sturdy reset too, which is nice. Whereas this, not so much. But I imagine fixing some springs around, that kind of thing, you'd probably be able to achieve that. As far as the Glock 34 goes, I did some reload practice up close. I shot some groups, which I haven't done in a while. Shot from 75, shot from 100. The goddamn thing just runs. I mean, it is what it is. Gucci Glocks, sometimes they work good, sometimes they don't. Mine works good. I've got it springed right, and I've got a lot of rounds and a lot of practice with this thing. I gotta tell you, man, if I'm gonna bail out of the house forever, you know, World War Z type of situation, I mean, it would be hard not to pick this. All that added velocity with the 5+ inch barrel, ergonomics, takes Glock 17 and Glock 34 mags, you know, extended or not, I should say. But, you know, you can get mags pretty much anywhere. Most common caliber. It's hard to beat, it really is. The only thing you might want better than this is maybe like a 17 with a threaded barrel so you could put a suppressor on it if you wanted to, but for most situations that's unneeded. For self-defense, man, it's hard to beat the fucking Glock 34. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Support your local homeless shelters. Remember to recycle. Check you later.